In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Bankwest Mobile App with an easy step-by-step installation guide. Let's get started by ensuring you have an Android device ready to go. Begin by unlocking your phone and tapping on the Google Play Store icon. This is the portal to all Android applications, including the one we need today. Once you're in the Play Store, you'll see the search bar at the top. Type in Bankwest Mobile App. As you type, you might notice some suggestions popping up, but be sure to look for the official app published by Bankwest itself. This is important to prevent downloading any illegitimate apps that could compromise your security. For those whose device is compatible, an install button will appear once you've selected the correct app. Tap on Install. This will start the download and installation process, which might take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Patience is a virtue here, just let it do its magic. If you're attempting this on a PC using an Android emulator like BlueStacks, it's worth noting that some banking apps, including Bankwest, may not work. This is due to security settings within these apps that prevent them from running in emulated environments. As such, you might see a message indicating your device isn't compatible, or notice the install option doesn't show up at all. However, if you're using a genuine Android phone or tablet that supports the Bankwest app, you should have no such issues. After the installation wraps up, tap Open to launch the app for the first time. Once inside the app, you'll be prompted to log in if you have an existing Bankwest account. Enter your username and password to proceed. New users will need to select Register or Sign Up, then follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to set up their online banking profile. After successfully logging in, the app opens up a world of financial management at your fingertips. You can effortlessly check your account balances, browse through your recent transactions, and transfer money between accounts. There's also the convenience of paying bills directly through the app and managing your Bankwest cards. For added security and ease of access, consider setting up biometric login options like fingerprint or face recognition if your device supports these features. To wrap things up, always remember to download apps from the official source, the Google Play Store, to keep your data safe. And bear in mind, even though Android emulators might seem like a convenient choice, they can't replace the real security measures and reliability of a proper Android device. For the smoothest experience, make sure your phone is updated to the latest Android version available. That's all for today. Happy banking and stay safe.